In this workshop, we are going to learn how to run a tomography on trees in order to detect decay or cavities that usually cannot be seen from the outside of the tree. Part of the natural process in the wood of all trees is susceptibility to attacks by fungi that are specialized in degrading cellulose and lignin components in the wood cells. As a result of this process of cell walls being digested, cavities appear. Sometimes trees may appear to be healthy, yet have extensive decay within the hardwood. These trees will be more vulnerable to wind throw. To prevent trees from falling unexpectedly into our parks, gardens and streets, it is necessary to control them, paying attention to their age, state, and to the symptoms of decay. The use of devices like the sonic tomography helps technicians and arborists to discover hidden problems. It uses the fact that the velocity of sound in wood depends on the properties of the wood. Most damages, in particular cavities, modify the velocity of the sound in those affected areas. The sonic tomogram detects differences in the ability of the wood to transmit sound waves, recording the velocity of sound from one point to another in a certain area of the tree. If the velocity of sound through the wood cross-section is normal, then the wood is healthy. But if the velocity drops, then there may be some inner defects, decay, or cavities affecting wood properties. When we run a scan with the sonic tomogram, what we get is a full color graphic representing a cross-section of the tree. In this graphic, we can associate brown colors with healthy sound wood, and white and blue colors with decay or cavities. The sonic tomograph consists of a set of sensors connected to an electronic unit and to a pocket PC with the software. Sensors are placed around the tree. Each sensor is connected to a pin or nail which is tapped into contact with the wood. The sonic impulse is generated manually by knocking with a small hammer. The software records the times of flight of sound waves induced on the sensors at the other points. By using the times of flight of the sound wave and the distances between the sensors, sound velocities are calculated. We repeat this procedure of knocking the nail at least 3 times per nail. By doing that, we can obtain better measurements. Once we've tapped the last nail, the measurement is done. The software determines the real geometry of the trunk and the measuring level.